Good morning, Professor. Good morning, everybody. Now I would like to presentation. My topic is tourism or tourist satisfaction in the Malaysia tourism industry. We focus on relationship between service innovation and destination image. Now I would like to introduce my topic. Malaysia has annual rising trend in the local tourism and hospitality industry, more so in recent years. Well informed by the country Prime Minister Mahathir Mohamad, the industry image to fulfill total 15.2% in the Malaysia GDP. And Malaysia is a Southeast Asian country occupying part of the Malay Peninsula and the island of the Borneo. It's known for its beach, rainforest, and mix of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and European culture influence. The capital of the Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. It is home colonial building, busy shopping district such as the area is in the Kuala Lumpur is a twin tower. We can say Petronas twin tower. It is the most popular building in the Malaysia. And tourism organization improve their service when they continually review feedback from tourists. Acknowledge that customer is the king. It means they always offer a good service, the best service for the customer. Welcome them for warm welcome, and they always focus on the best service. Every traveler around the world, like European, offer like the European type of service, Asian type of service, like this. Now we go through expectancy disconfirmation theory. The expectancy disconfirmation theory has often been employed to investigate the consumption process within area of social study. According to this, often the primarily expectation are generated among consumer concerning a particular product or service. It is always we thinking about the investigate on the consumption processing. Now we go to destination image. Destination image is proposed by Fig Eye and Gropton 1991 as a personalized cognitive depiction of a perception and comprehensive understanding with regard to a specific destination. It is represent an individual apprehension and anticipation with reference to consumption, appeal, feeling, and through outlook concerning as a specific location. Destination in the Malaysia, they always have many places to visit, like Kuala Lumpur, Pontianak Twin Tower, Langkawi, Georgetown, Penang. It is the Penang Hill, many area that we can visit in Malaysia. Also, Patu have the big Buddha, the traditional like the India Buddha, and also have the Mount Kinabalu, like we have the Balu from the ground floor to the mountain. Also we have the Perhentian Island. It is a beautiful island in the Malaysia. They always have many destinations and nice place to visit. Now we go to product innovation. Product innovation involves the introduction of brand new or significantly enhance a product or service into market. Therefore, it represents the improvement made toward a good or service that can be commercialized. Product innovation has come to precede performance improvement within the marketplace. Malaysia, when they have the new product, they always launch, they always show in the new marketplace, in the market area, to let everybody know their products. Marketing innovation. Marketing innovation encompasses initiation of new market behaviors with either the discovery of an unexplored market segment or the introduction of the distinct industry into the exit market. There is also a growing demand for destination marketing, give both customer requests and intensify competition among tourism destinations. For the marketing, in Malaysia is before it's a good marketing, it's a good research, also it's a good population of the international traveler. When I come there before, they always good offer us the good service and the good area and the good recommendation how to buy something. They always take good care of my customer, because when I went there, I am become the operator, tour operator. Then they always discussion with us how to provide good service to the customer. Always they good prepared. It is a good the good news that the Malaysia can catch the lot of customer around the world. Now we go to tourist satisfaction and logistics service quality. Satisfaction in the extent to which contentment, employment, or disappointment when the products meet or fail and expectation of the customer. This point, I want to describe that some products is not always success. Some have some fail, have some problem, or the customer they don't like, or they say it is too expensive. After that they will get this information to improve their products and their service, because when the customer go back to their country, they always have writing some note, like the accommodation, like the tourism guide. They always have the survey form for all of everybody, that okay, when the customer come to visit them, and then the guide will explain what they need, what they asking, and then they will have the survey form to to write down about, okay, the guy is good, the guy is bad or not, or the server's hotel is good or not, because they always know, and then they always advise what the something they lack of or poor service, or they can improve more and more. Okay, as including this option, you see, according to the North Africa European study in 1991, the response identity, the total support for the customer need is 75%, and timely delivery is 73%, and error-free transaction 45% as the three most important quality component in logistics. When they get this, they will underline what they are lacking of, or they are sorting something, and then they will refill, and then they will advise their mistake. Now we go through the table. It is some summary also select literature on logistics service performance dimension. Every country they mention on this area, and the type of survey, the data analysis, the scale, the dimension, they are all mentioned on the option. It is the logistics service performance. This is we focus on hypothesis, the area, the service, the quality of service, the logistic innovation, the tourism satisfaction, organization innovation. Yes, it is in this area. It is the focus on hypothesis, and you see the service quality provided by staff. They always combine house service from the accommodation, house service from the staff, house service from the tourist guide, house service from the restaurant. They will combine about this all service, and then they will underline which one the best, and which one is the bad one. Now we go to moderating effect of the nationality. Go to table 5. It is as I mentioned before, is a Malaysia and non-Malaysia. It means international. It means traveler around the world to visit Malaysia. You see the 0.372. It is big than the the domestic traveler. That it means like international traveler is more than the domestic that travel around the Malaysia. The finger one, it is the service innovation. The service innovation, we focus on hypothesis, process innovation, organization innovation, marketing innovation, and product innovation. And they also have hypothesis nationality, tourism satisfaction, destination image. The nature of the study has been found upon causal research in assessing the significance of service innovation within the Malaysian tourism front, while analyzing component outline for service innovation as per the currently investigate context. And now we go through the next slide. Research method. It is the nature of the upfront causal research. It is the systematic sampling approach was employed in the study. Specifically, the target population consists of the individual who has traveled in Malaysia during the period of data collection. Data collection was proceed through the use of self-administered questionnaire consider both scale, variable, and demographic requirement. Now we go to the next slide. Data analysis. You see data analysis. The respondent demographic was in the table 2. I will show you that the previous slide that said okay, international traveler is more than domestic. Now we go through to the table. You see it is table 2, respondent in demographic profile. They are mentioned for option the big important. First one is gender, age, nationality, and education. They research and they underline for how many male, how many female, and about the age, the people. It is the focus on percentage of the amount of people that visit in this Malaysia country. This Malaysia. You see, male is 46.9, and also they have the age below 30.8 percentage, and also nationality it is non-Malaysian is 69, and the Malaysian is 31.7. It means international traveler is more than domestic. And then now we go through. It is confirmatory factor analysis for constructor. You see, in the assessing the covered valid 3 men, it is outlined by from Cornell the about to say the construction were adopted from existing literature. It means product innovation, organization innovation, process innovation, marketing innovation, destination image, and tourism certification. The recommendation is placed on employing confirmatory factor analysis. You see every point in this area as understood from 2017 beginning regularly employed in social science research is a statistical approach within structural equation modeling. The totally in this table we are discriminant validity was addressed within this research by assessing the correlation matrix by comparison between the examined construct and the sphere value of their AVE. You see is AVE. The correlation value of the construct have emerged smaller to all the value for their corresponding sphere AVE. Okay. And in turn confirm the establishment of discriminant validity within this study in this table. You see every value they have mentioned. Now we go through the next slide. It is past analysis. Past analysis all hypotheses relationship for the current study were tested in this section through the use of AMOS. You see they have product innovation, go to destination image, process innovation, go to destination also destination image, organization innovation, go to destination image, marketing innovation, go to destination image, and destination image to tourism certification. You see the finding those exemplify their process and product innovation as well as organization and marketing innovation independently hold 99% and 99% in confidence level respectively among all the dimension in service innovation. It was found the process innovation has the most powerful influence on this destination image. Besides the positive influence of destination image on tourist satisfaction is also revealed through the satisfaction output. You see on the table 4. Okay, now I would like to thank Professor and thank everybody for listening and understanding. Thank for your time. Now my presentation is finished. Thank you.